Welcome to the kitchen, where flavor meets passion. This is Macuse signature kitchen. Let's cook something unforgettable.
Hello and welcome back to Macuse Signature Kitchen. Today I'm making a beautiful apple roses shape. For this recipe you will need 3 apples, 1 egg of your choice, 1.5 tablespoons of butter, 1 lemon, cinnamon sugar, vanilla extract, flour for dusting, 1 box of puff pastry sheets, and some cold water. Start by cutting half a lemon and squeezing the juice into a bowl of water. Next, cut your apple, remove the core, and slice it thinly, and drop the apple slices into the lemon water so they don't change color.
Taste sweet. Hear the sizzle in the pan, cooking like a master plan. Colors dancing on the stove.
And don't forget to squeeze the other half of the lemon. Lightly dust your surface with flour, then roll out your puff pastry.
You can't resist. Welcome to Macuse signature kitchen, where every meal is made with vision. From the spices to the flame, every dish got its own name. Taste the love in every bite, cooking dreams day and night. Come together, take a seat. In this kitchen, life tastes sweet.
Food is love, food is art. Every recipe from the heart. Every flavor tells a tale.
Every dish will never fail.
From the stove to your soul.
Cooking makes the spirit whole. If you're hungry, come on in. Let the flavor journey begin. Welcome to Macuse signature kitchen.
In a small bowl, crack your eggs and add 1 tablespoon of water. Then beat the eggs well and set aside. Warm your butter until melted.
Fresh for you. Taste the love. Feel the heat. Every dish is a special
Using a
treat.
pastry brush, spread the melted butter evenly over the puff pastry.
You'll never cook alone.
Oh, don't forget to make sure your ramekins are ready by buttering them well and add a little cinnamon sugar as well. Drain the apples from the water.
Fresh ingredients shining so bright. From the garden straight to the plate. Every little
Sprinkle the cinnamon sugar evenly over the puff pastry.
season it with love tonight. Every dish tells a story true. Cooking magic just for you.
Then place the apple slices along the top part of the pastry.
Every recipe made with heart right here is where the flavors start. Welcome to Macuse signature kitchen.
Fold the pastry halfway over the apples.
With vision from the spices to the flame.
Brush the egg wash over the puff pastry, then sprinkle more cinnamon on top.
Hear the sizzle in the pan.
Gently roll them into a beautiful rose shape.
On the stove, every flavor starts to glow.
From sweet desserts to savory delight.
Place them into the buttery ramekins.
Simple food turned masterpiece.
One more bite, you can't resist. Welcome to Macuse signature kitchen, where every meal is
Now, repeat the same steps before.
spices to the flame. Every dish got its own name. Taste the love in every bite. Cooking dreams day and night. Come together, take a seat. In this kitchen, life tastes sweet.
Food is love, food is art. Every recipe from the heart. Every flavor tells a tale.
Every dish will never fail.
From the stove to your soul.
Cooking makes the spirit whole. If you're hungry, come on in. Let the flavor journey begin. Welcome to Macuse.
Once done, sprinkle a little more cinnamon sugar on top. Place them in the oven at 375 degrees and bake for about 35 to 40 minutes or until golden brown.
Get something fresh for you. Taste the love.
Thank you for cooking with Macuse Signature Kitchen, where simple ingredients turn into beautiful homemade creations. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more delicious recipes made with love. See you on the next one.
You'll never cook alone.
Voila! Enjoy!